Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Shiv Shankar Kumar, registration number 20 MCA 0153, guided by Dr. F. Jiva EP, Associate Professor, Grade 1, BIT, Bellon Institute of Technology. My project report on weather forecasting using data mining, and it is a vested part of my project. In this part, weather forecasting is a method to predict what the atmosphere will be like a particular place by using scientific knowledge to make the weather observation. In other words, it's a way of prediction things like cloud cover, rain, snow, wind speed, and temperature. Before they happen, perfect weather prediction are needed for daily activities, and it was one of the main challenging problems facing throughout the world because it consists of multidimensional and nonlinear data. As per the survey, the various methods and algorithms are used like artificial neural network, support vector, k-nearest neighbors navy bias, and decision tree are part, and clustering k means clustering. Next is introduction. First point is weather forecasting has been one of the most scientifically and technologically challenging problems around the world in the last century. And second point is weather forecasting entails predicting how the present state of the atmosphere will be changed. And the third point is in this project, the use of data mining techniques in forecasting the weather was carried out using k-nearest neighbors, navy bias, and decision tree are part, and clustering k means clustering. Next is introduction of dataset. We have used weather forecast dataset having 366 observation from Ratel package in R. Use the following independent variable from the dataset means maximum temperature, minimum temperature, wind speed 3 pm, wind speed 9 am, pressure 3 pm, humidity 9 am, humidity 3 pm, rain today and rain tomorrow. Next is which algorithm I have applied in this project. In classification, first is k nearest neighbors algorithm, and second is navy bias algorithm, and the third is a decision tree R part. And in clustering, k means clustering I have applied. Next is tools used. I have used Ratel R tools for this project. And, classification and regression tree. First point is the decision tree produced by CART are strictly binary containing exactly two branches for each decision node. The second is CART recursively partition the records with similar values for the target attribute. And the third point is the CART algorithm grows the tree by conducting for each decision nodes and executive search of all available variables and all possible splitting value. Fourth is a formula. Formula equal to rain tomorrow week approximately minimum temperature plus maximum temperature plus wind speed 9 am plus wind speed 3 pm plus humidity 3 pm plus pressure 3 pm. Next is a decision tree architecture. In this architecture, we can see first is humidity 3 pm, and then if value is 71 less than 71.5, then second is wind gust speed, and if value is 70 greater than equal to 71.5, then wind gust speed mm, is place is 11, and This is our all about decision tree architecture, which uh, give the value like greater than in equal to in return. Next is decision tree. First point is to determine if the tree is appropriate or if some of the branches need to be subjected to pruning. We can use the CP table element of the R part object like a CP and split real error and X error STD. First is 0.58490566 and second is 0.26415094 and third is 0.0188672 and fourth is 0.0000 like and in a real error zero index is 1.000 like and one is 0.415094 and two is 0.150944 and next is 0.1320755 give the value and x error is 1.000 and 1.509434 1.320755 1.415094 and X XTD 0.1223179, 0.1399283, 0.1345580, and 0.1373960. The X error column contain of estimated of cross-validate prediction error for different numbers of splits and splits. The base tree has three splits. Now we can turn back the large initial tree using the minimum CP value. Next here also we can see the architecture of n equal to when n equal to 321, n equal to 18, n equal to 27. The error rate of decision tree after pruning is 16% total. Next is K-means clustering. First point is K-means clustering is a method of vector quantization originally from signal processing that is popular for cluster analysis in data mining. Next is the goal of K-means algorithm is to find the best division of an entities in K groups so that the total distance between the groups members and its corresponding centroid representative of the group is minimized. Next is formally the goal is to partition the an entity into K set here Si where I equal to 1 to 3 dot k. In order to minimize the within cluster sum of square WCSS defined as summation j equal to 1 to k and summation I equal to 1 to n. Here modulus is xi to the power j minus cj uh, of whole square. Next is application. First is market segmentation. Second is computer vision. Third is geostatics. Fourth is astronomy. Fifth is agriculture. And it is often is used as a pre-processing step for other algorithms, for example, to find a starting configuration. Next is a frequency table. If for k equal to 2, then table training here one is 103, 1 and second 2 is 106.26. Here index is 0 and 1. Similarly, as for k equal to 3, 1, 2, 3, like a value gives 38, 19, and for 2, 93 and 9, for 3, 83 and 1, 4. That is our frequency table. Next is for k equal to 2 is like here in this picture we can see here data point is denoted by like this green and red color. And for k equal to 3 is like this is our plotting cluster. Next is a Navy bias classifier. First point is Navy bias classifiers assume that the effects of a variable value on a given class is independent of the value of other variable. This assumption is called class conditional independence. And the next is an advantage of the Navy bias classifier is that it requires a small amount of training data to estimate the variable values necessary for classification. And the next is here we implemented Navy bias on rain today and rain tomorrow attribute with another attribute of a minimum temperature, maximum temperature 9 am, temperature 3 pm, and pressure 9 am, pressure 3 pm. First of all, creating formula for rain today and rain tomorrow, which include following attribute like formula is rain today, week approximately minimum temperature plus maximum temperature plus temperature 9 am plus temperature 3 pm plus pressure 9 am plus pressure 3 pm. And the next is rain tomorrow, week approximately minimum temperature plus maximum temperature plus temperature 9 am plus temperature 3 pm plus pressure 9 am plus pressure 3 pm like yeah. Next is Navy bias classifier. Perform Navy bias on categorical data only here in predict model if type is row, then the conditional a posterior probabilities for each class are returned else the class with maximum probability is returned. Categorical data only a model is Navy bias formula like data weather and predict model 1 data where 1 ratio 20 minus 1 like this. Next is Navy bias classifier as output is like prediction no, yes, no is 300, yes is 66. If yes, then no is 0 and yes is 0. That is our predict weather. And here we can see rain today and rain tomorrow like prediction no, yes. In no 271 and if yes 29 like 38 and 28 rain tomorrow here prediction like no, yes, no 258 and 42, yes 34 and 32. And Navy bias conclusion is perform Navy bias using Laplace something. It is techniques that use to smooth categorical data. And the next is the default zero value of Laplace disable Laplace smoothing. And the next is k nearest neighbor. It is a lazy learning algorithm. Whenever we have a new point to classify, we find its k nearest neighbors from the training data. And the next is it defers the decision to generalize the past training example till a new query is encountered. And the next is k and n uses a distance function to calculate the distance between points from the center of data. The next is our goal is to specify for which value of k the weather data is most accurate, k nearest neighbor. Next is k nearest neighbor. France Transnational conclusion. For k equal to 1, we have the following table results and error rate for rain tomorrow, like 0.1909091, and for k equal to 2, we have following table results and errors rate for rain tomorrow, like 0.2181818. And next is a k nearest Navier conclusion and error rate. First point is the error rate changes every time since the training and test dataset are not stable. And the next is the error rate is 21%. And comparison of algorithm, like first is accuracy of the following algorithms are first is KNN algorithm accuracy is 79%, and K-means algorithm's accuracy is 80.5%, and decision tree algorithm is 84%. We can see here mostly accuracy of the algorithm is decision tree algorithm is 84%. And advantage of our project is a user can easily find out weather condition. And next is the primary advantage of forecasting is that provide the business with valuable information that the businesses can use to make decision about the future. And limitation of our project is first one is this project work is fine with the given data set, but when we use a hug data set, the prediction stage might be slow. And next point is accuracy depends on the quality of data set. And the next is sensitive to the scale of the data and relevant features. Next is these are all limitation of my project. And future works of my project is first point is the scope of this research work is to evaluate the performance of the above neural network models with a chosen data set. And next is we forecast the weather by looking at current condition, motion of air, cloud historical pattern, pressure changes, and computer models. And next is the examine the applicability of neural network approach by developing effective and efficient prediction model for weather analysis. And this is our all about our project review. So thank you. This is my project.